Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and I'm stopping in today to share 4 ideas for fun Easter crafts that you can do using jars. Jars from the dollar store or old mason jars or recycled jars. You can really use anything. If you haven't already, hit subscribe down below. Really helps my channel. I'd really appreciate it. I share all kinds of easy and inexpensive ideas for family fun. So let's get to it. So the first one that I have today is a treat jar. Oh, seriously, how cute is that? So all I did was I filled it with treats, these little chocolate carrots, put a little ribbon around with some hot glue, and see this bunny on the top that looks like a chocolate bunny? It's actually a fillable egg from the dollar store. Really? So cute, right? That's the first one. So for the second one, I have a little craft. This one is great for kids, but adults can do it too. And it's just painting jars. So I did one that's a bunny and one that's a chick. I painted it. Chalk paint would work great, but I just used craft paint from the dollar store, added some fun details with marker, glued on some googly eyes and a nose, and then used hot glue to put some twine across the top. For this one, I just did a little felt beak and some googly eyes and some twine around the top with some hot glue. So they're so cute. You could fill them with treats because there's no paint on the inside, or you can put flowers in them. That'd be really cute. All right, so that's number 2. So number 3, this one is easy. It's a little chocolate bunny in a jar. Cute, right? So all I did was I took a jar, I put some Easter grass from the dollar store, a few little mini eggs, a chocolate bunny. I tied some twine around, and just to fancy it up, I cut a piece of cardstock for the top and a little ribbon. This would be so cute. You could put it in an Easter basket, you can have it out as decor, or you can give it as a gift. So I promised you 4, so I have another one. This is our last one. This is a great idea. It's a good way to do a little bit of prep, but you could also give it as a gift, or if you're going to someone's house for Easter, this is great. And it's just layered cookie mix in a jar. Isn't that cute? So I will leave the link below to the recipe for this cookie mix, but basically you put just stack the ingredients. The top are little eggs, so they're delicious. And I have this free tag that you can download. I'll leave the link for this too. I did the same thing with the scrapbook paper at the top and a little bit of ribbon. So this bunny Easter cookies, so cute. So there you go, 4 ideas for Easter crafts using jars. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.